Legacy Fast Color Corrector. So if I want to put an effect on a clip and we have uh, an old fast color corrector effect, I am going to first go over to my effects, and to find it I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to type it in, fast color, and you'll see that it found it under the obsolete video effects. Well, generally when it's under the obsolete, it's best to use the new modern approaches, but once in a while you may want to use an obsolete version for some particular reason. All we're going to do is drag and drop that on the clip that we're interested in. Now up here in our source monitor, we're going to come down here and we're going to find fast color corrector. All right, so in here we can come in here and we can make all kinds of changes to our hue angle, etc. And I come in here and I can key in a value. Maybe I come in here and I put a 5 in here. And my balance magnitude, I come in here and put a 60 in here. And ooh, you can see. And my balance gain, maybe I put a 25 in here, etc. And my balance angle, I can put in a value, -120, right? I can put in input gray levels and things like that, right? So I can put in an input gray level down in here and change that to 2.5 or whatever. So I can come in here, and if I don't like them, I can always hit the resets, right? So this is an old method of doing it, but some people like the old way of doing it. And remember, anytime we have an effect, we can turn it on and off, and we can also highlight the effect, right click and say clear, and we delete the effect. So this is our legacy fast color